Good morning. My name is Jayashree Mutagar, Government First Aid College, Hulkoti, BSc 3rd semester, Physics. Aberration. Spherical and chromatic aberration in lens. Aberrations of a lens, the lens equation 1 divided by f equals to 1 divided by u plus 1 divided by v, and 1 divided by f equals to bracket mu minus 1 bracket complete 1 divided by r1 plus of 1 divided by r2 another bracket are derived on the assumption that the aperture of a lens is small so that the incident rays make very small angles with the principal axis, or define the aberrations, the deviations or defects in the size, shape, position and color in the actual images produced by an optical system are called aberrations. The optical system may be a mirror lens, combination of lenses, or an optical instrument. Because of aberrations will not get the theoretically accepted positions, shape or even size of the image of an object. Classification of aberrations mainly classified as chromatic aberration, monochromatic aberration. Monochromatic aberrations are again classified as spherical, marginal astigmatism, coma, curvature of field, distortion. First one, chromatic aberrations are caused by dispersion, the variation in the index of refraction of a medium with frequency. Images with noticeable chromatic aberration are typed by edge details with noticeable color holes. Or chromatic aberrations or defects arising due to a composite light like white light is called chromatic aberrations. Chromatic aberrations are caused due to dispersion of color or by optical medium. Or white light from an object will from 7 different colored and different sized images which gives rise to defected image. Second one, geometric aberrations are caused by geometry, the shape of the lens or mirror. There are sometimes called monochromatic aberrations because they occur even for images formed with light of a single frequency. Images with noticeable geometry aberration are typed by poor focus. The image looks fuzzy or distortion. The image turns straight lines into curves. Or monochromatic aberrations, the defects in the image of an object caused by the geometry of the optical system, like large aperture even with a single colored light, are called monochromatic aberrations. Representing the chromatic aberrations, here we have seen the figure paraxial light is passed through the lens. Focal points are blue, red and green. Points are focal points. Object is passed in the white light and lens pass through the red focal point and blue focal point. First one, spherical aberration. The failure of a lens to form a point image of a point object on the principal axis is called a spherical aberration. One of the example, the spectrum that Newton first saw and then named is a colored band of light produced when a source of mixed light has the image due to paraxial rays is called longitudinal spherical aberrations. Being decomposed or broken up into components and sorted into a characteristic sequence sorted by frequency, it was later determined it is a real thing and is not an optical illusion or mental delusion. All rays of light obey the law of reflection in the same way regardless of their color. problem solved. Newton even understood that the mirror needed to be grounded and then polished with a parabolic curvature to eliminate a spherical aberration. The inability of a spherical surface to bring rays from its axis into proper focus. He most certainly didn't do this, however, as the method of grading a parabola is much more complicated than that of grading a sphere. Optical devices with curved surfaces are usually ground into the desired shape instead of being cast or molded. Comma, this is the name given to the comment-like appearance of the image of a point object situated just off the axis of a lens. It occurs due to the fact that different zones of the lens being asymmetrical to the point just off the axis, forming the ring images that are not concentric. Third one, astigmatism. This defect is due to those pencils of light which pass obliquely through the lens and occur even if a stop is used to reduce spherical aberration and coma. Fourth one, curvature of a field. When an extended plane object is viewed through a convex lens, the image is not flat one. The image appears to be bent. This aberration arising from the oblique-centric rays falling on the lens is called the curvature of the field. Distortion. The defects arising from the variation in the distance of the object point from the axis causing the lack of geometric symmetry between the object and image is called distortion. Thank you.